Hey little monsters, so I love sharing snack hauls with you guys, and so this week I went to Trader Joe's. So this is a bag of all the snacks that I grabbed at this time. So let me show you what I got. They have a couple of new things. I actually don't really go very often. I usually go like, I don't know, 3 or 4 times a year. 4 probably the best, just so I can hit every single season, but I did miss the spring. So this is what I grabbed for now. So they have this popcorn with herbs and spices, and I'm excited to try this one because it seems like it has like a nice flavor to it. Then I got these Cocoa Baton wafer cookies. I have here some sesame sticks. I kind of wanted something like sweet and savory to mix in and make kind of like a trail mix out of, so I got that. This one I got last year. These are the snacky clusters. I actually really like this. It has corn chips, has potato chips, pretzels, chocolate, and it's like all mixed together into these clusters. I like putting these in the refrigerator. Pretty much like anything that has chocolate, I like to put in the refrigerator just so it kind of like firms up. And I like to eat it cold. So that one is definitely gonna go in there. This, I always love to get a bag of sweet plantain chips, so good. And then, let me see. So I found these cookies and cream pretzel slims. So they look like just a regular pretzel chips, but they're coated in cookies and cream. Is this yogurt or just chocolate? Just a chocolate drizzle. And then this one is a brookie caramel candy cluster. So it's a brookie, which is the brownie and the cookie, but in a cluster with caramel, whichever one you guys go with. And then I found this s'mores clusters. I love these clusters. I just love like the mix of it. So this one has marshmallows, graham crackers, and chocolate in a cluster. Then I got this last year as well, Enchanted Jangle. This one's really good. It's sweet and salty. It has like pretzels. It has like peanut butter, chocolate covered pretzels, some marshmallows in it too, and then some cookies. And it's actually really pretty too. I really like the look of this one. And then this is one of the newest ones that I saw somebody else post, dark chocolate covered pistachios. They say this is like really addicting. So these are all the snacks that I got at Trader Joe's. Let me know which one you guys have tried and which one is your favorite. And then if I haven't tried it, maybe I'll go out and grab some. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a monster-ific day. Bye.